Welcome to Class 15. 2 weeks ago, you built your week. Last week, you priced the hours inside it. Today is a doing class, one job, done for real, on your own laptop, against your own database, before you leave. Quick check before the new material, plug-in check, not report card. Did your schedule survive the week? Mostly is a win. Are your reclaimed blocks sliding instead of dying? Did you catch a reclaimed hour? And where did you spend it? And last week's assignment. 5 long-term names to Mark's inbox with Coma Ward in the subject line. If yours haven't gone in, watch closely today, because by the end of this class, your assistant will be finding those 5 names for you every morning. Here's how the last 3 weeks fit together. Class 13, you bought the house, the schedule, the container. Class 14, the appraisal came back, $95.53 an hour at the floor. Today we hire the property manager, an assistant that costs about $20 a month, and today, it learns your database. One thing, done together, until it actually runs. Before the how, the where. This is the goal for every database in this room. 1. 50 or fewer active leads and follow-up boss. 50 people you're actually working, not 200 names staring at you. 2. Everyone else in long-term care, automated follow-up, doing the touches, resting safely until they stir. 3. Every file readable at a glance. Anyone can open any lead and know exactly where it stands today. And here's why we work the database instead of some shared list. Your database is the one lead source nobody else in this room can collide with. 10 agents run today's job tonight. 10 completely different call lists. One idea before the hands-on, and it's not technical. Some tools stay connected. Follow-up boss, Gmail, your calendar, like the garage door code. They work at midnight whether you're awake or not. Jobs on those can eventually run on a timer while you sleep. The other kind is a saved prompt you fire when you sit down. 2 minutes of you, 20 minutes of assistant. Today you build the fire it version, because you'll watch it work and learn to trust it. The runs while you sleep version is coming, built office side, delivered straight to your calendar. And the house rule, we never overpromise. A pre-built prompt that saves 55 of the 60 minutes isn't magic, it's a raise. At last week's floor of $95.53 an hour, 55 minutes back is about $87 earned, every single time you fire it. Step 1, and everybody does it together. In this morning's email, there's a prompt called Prompt 0, the systems check. Paste it into Claude Cowork and let it run. It checks everything we've built in this course, your connectors, your schedule, reclaim, and it tests follow-up boss by actually pulling one of your leads. Then it builds your punch list, green, yellow, red, with the fix for every red, and it ends by emailing your scorecard to Mark, so the help can find you. One rule, only one red stops today, follow-up boss not connected. Everything else is homework. Pause the recording right here and run Prompt 0 now. If Prompt 0 came back red on follow-up boss, here's the fix. 3 parts, about 10 minutes total, one time, and you never touch it again. Part 1, your key. In follow-up boss, click your initials in the top right corner, then admin, then API. Every agent has this screen. This is your key, not the office's. Click Create API Key and name it exactly, Claude, your name. That name is how you'll recognize it years from now. And here is the one place people get burned. So listen. Follow-up boss shows the full key exactly once, the moment it's created. Copy it right then and paste it into a note before you click anything else. After that, the screen only ever shows the last 4 digits. If you miss it, no disaster. Delete that key and make another. And the privacy question, answered in writing. Your key carries your login's permissions. It sees your leads and nobody else's. If you don't see an API section under admin, raise a hand. There's one account setting I can flip. Part 2, the bridge between follow-up boss and Claude. It lives at Zapier, and the free plan covers everything we're doing. First, if you don't have a Zapier account, zapier.com, sign up, use your Google sign-in, 20 seconds. Second, go to mcp.zapier.com, click New MCP Server. It asks which client, pick Claude. Name it My FUB Bridge. Create. Don't let the word server rattle you. It's just the plumbing name for the bridge, and after today, you'll never think about it again. Third, add your tools. Search for follow-up boss, click Connect Account, and paste the key you copied in Part 1. Then turn on the follow-up boss tools it offers. One rule while you're in here, and it's a real rule. The bridge is where your key lies. Never paste the raw key into a Claude chat, a project, or anywhere else. The bridge holds it, and Claude never sees it. That's the secure design, and it's also the convenient one. Part 3. The handoff, and then the proof. On your new server's page at Zapier, there's a tab called Connect. Open it. It shows the exact steps for Claude. They end in Claude's own settings, under Connectors, where you approve your new bridge. Zapier walks you through it screen by screen. Then the moment of truth. Back in Claude, paste prompt 0 again and watch item 7, the follow-up boss test. When Claude reads one of your leads back to you, by name, from your own database, that's it. You're connected, for good. Send me the fresh scorecard so I see the green. And if you were already connected some other way, a couple of you set up your own follow-up boss connector, and that's great. If prompt 0 pulled your leads, you're done. Skip all of this. Hands up as you finish. Finished early? The bonus station is 2 slides away. Now the job. The Morning Huddle, 5, 5, 5, 1 page. First 5, your calls. Overnight leads on top, called first, in your call block, not at 7 in the morning. Then hot leads going quietly stale. 1 talking point each, and a heads-up text drafted in your voice. I'd like to give you a call today at 3 o'clock. If a better time works, let me know. Each text names that person's own slot time, because a call they're expecting gets answered, and a call out of nowhere gets screened. Second 5, coma ward candidates. The clearest long-term care cases, 1 line of evidence each, with the email to Mark already drafted. You say yes, it goes. Third 5, file fixes. The appointment with no outcome note, the hot lead with no next task. 30-second repairs, and it shows you the same 5 until you handle them. And at the bottom, your scoreboard, active leads versus 50. Watch that number fall. Here's the prompt, already in your inbox, word for word, in this morning's email. Copy and paste, nobody retypes anything. The wording is doing real work. 1 talking point per person is the difference between just checking in and a call worth answering. The heads-up texts carry each person's own slot time. The coma ward email fires only on your OK. The file fixes nag until handled, that's the feature. And the safety line, nothing sends without your OK, and never before 8 in the morning. We prep early, we reach out at civilized hours. Save it where you can fire it every morning with your coffee. This is the block the whole class exists for. Pause the recording, paste the huddle prompt, and fire it against your own follow-up boss. Read your 5 calls. Do you know why each made the list? Read the heads-up texts. That's your voice. Edit anything that doesn't sound like you. Rule on the 5 coma candidates. If you agree, approve the email and your 5 names are done for the week. And pick 1 file fix and do it right now. 30 seconds. 1 repaired file today. Finished early? Here's your bonus station. Open the Agent Hub, go to the team page, screenshot it, and drop the screenshot into Claude. Save my teammates' contact info so you can help me reach them anytime. From then on, your assistant knows your team. Draft a text to Ellen. What's Tammy's email? It just knows. 3 minutes, and it's your first taste of the bigger idea. The more context your assistant has, the more useful it gets. For things go home with you. A connected assistant, Claude reads your follow-up boss now. Your key, your leads, nobody else's. The Morning Huddle, 5 calls, 5 coma candidates, 5 file fixes, 1 page every morning. A database getting cleaner every day, toward 50 active, everyone else resting in long-term care, every file readable. And Mark has your scorecard. The help finds you now. At $95.53 an hour, every fired prompt is money. Not magic. A raise. Homework for items. 1. Run the huddle 3 mornings before next Thursday. 3 runs makes a habit. 1 run makes a demo, and demos don't pay. 2. Let it send your coma ward 5. Approve the drafted email, and your names hit Mark's inbox without you typing a word. 3. Clear your punch list. Mark has everyone's scorecard, and he will chase you. Kindly. 4. Bring 2 numbers to class 16. Minutes saved across your 3 runs, and your active lead count. Both open next class. Everything is in this morning's email. 3 weeks, 1 arc. You built the container. You priced the hours. And today the help got hired for real. It knows your database now. This week it earns its keep. 3 runs, 5 names, 2 numbers for the room. And one last thing before you go. Today's version runs when you press the button. The next version won't need the button. One morning soon. Your 5 calls will simply be sitting inside your call block when you open your calendar. That's where this is going. Put it to work.